mga growth balls pa talaga, effective pa talaga yan. Kita natin, ito yung quarter scoring. 10 points lang po ang na-score ng Team Pilipinas ng third quarter after scorching the second quarter 32 points.
At layo ng production natin in the third quarter. But it was because of poor field goal shooting. We only shot 22% from the field while Lebanon shot 50%, as you can see right there. We had the same number of attempts. The problem was, they were making their shots, tapos tayo, we were missing ours.
Nagkabaliktad no? Ito na, Jimmy Alapag. Kamikaze drive, Mintes. Ito, 3-on-2 fast break. Noor, supalpal mula kay Dondon Ontiveros. Saved by Norwood, but recovered by Bashara. Ito na naman si Ronnie Fahed. This has been the biggest thorn on the side of SMC Team Pilipinas. Fahed inside to Bashara. Somebody got lost in a defensive rotation.
Philippine team having trouble with that pick and roll situation. Two guys going to the ball, no one rotating to the slipping guy.
Kirby Raimundo. Nabitawan ng bola. May foul at tinawag. Si referee Shen Wenwei. Good break for Team Pilipinas.
And you can see right now, it seems Lebanon is already telling us, sige, kung gusto nyo tumrive kayo. And then, ang ginagawa nila, pagka-drive, doon na lang sila sumasabay sa harap ng basket. And we haven't been able to adjust to what the defense of Lebanon has been in the second half.
Which has been to push us to one side of the court. Talagang ayaw nila papuntahin sa gitna ng ating Team Pilipinas. Right now, they're setting up their zone defense. And Dondon Ontiveros, pampasag sa zone defense ang binitawan. 12 points for Dondon.
Making them pay, changing their defense because of foul trouble to many of their players. Nangyari doon, they had to go zone to avoid the fouls, but we're definitely an excellent shooting team.
Ito naman, from the outside again, itong si 6'9", 262 pounds na si Joe Vogel. Tumitira pa sa labas.
Ano ba naman, talagang pinahihirapan tayo ito si Vogel tsaka ni Fahed.
Sorry miss para sa layup yan ni Dondon. Ito na naman, fast break play. Fahed for 3! You can't help but remember what he did. Sa ating Team Pilipinas. Ngayon po, etabla na ang laban. Inabla na ni Ronnie Fahed. Here's Dondon Ontiveros. Ontiveros, he forced to the baseline. Binigay kay Kirby Raimundo. Hand off to Alapag. Babawiin ba? Short. Can you spell deja vu?
Gentong-gentong nangyari sa atin sa Jones Cup. We had a big lead coming to the fourth quarter. Tapos biglang nabuhay ang Lebanon. Pero sabi nga nila, it was a learning experience para sa Team Pilipinas. Question is, have we learned our lesson?
Well, we still have 7 minutes and 38 na natitira dito sa ball game na to. Here's Fahed. Brian Bashara kicks it out from the outside. Wala yung go-ahead basket. Launched by Omar Turk. Pero last touch pa itong Team Pilipinas. So baseline inbounds para sa Lebanon.
Couple of things again, creeping back into the problems of Team Pilipinas. Nakikita na naman natin, nahirapan na naman tayo kumuha ng offensive rebound. And the transition defense, which has failed us here in this quarter. And Joe Vogel has just given us a hard time dito sa larong ito.
And that's a go-ahead basket. That three-point basket by Joe Vogel. It's now 71-68. Taulava. Kelly Williams. Williams drives inside, is taken down by Brian Bashara.
That's a bad foul. Brian Bashara, I was watching him kanina pa. Kanina nagka-problema siya kay Dondon. This guy seems to have a temper.
Yes. But you know, this is what the training in Belgrade taught our Team Pilipinas to, you know, just accept yung mga hard fouls na ganyan. I was talking to Kirby Raimundo as we take a look. Itong go-ahead basket ni Joseph Vogel, three-point basket po yan. I was talking to Kirby Raimundo, sabi nga dati, napipikon pa siya dito sa mga ganitong klaseng foul. But he realized na as international play, ay kasama talaga yan sa laro. Nice pass to Taulava, but it's blocked.
Grabe ang pinapakita depensa ngayon ng Lebanon dito sa second half. We have to get to the level of intensity and the level of play right now of Lebanon.
Here's Brian Bashara. And that's traveling on Brian Beshara. Nagalit si Coach Dragan Raka because he wanted him to pass the ball. Hindi yung ididire-diretso niya. Wanted more ball movement. Kelly Williams. Renren Ritualo for three. Bang! At buhayan na naman po itong mga kababayan natin inside the arena in San Juan.
You know, Renren seems to be the guy that can be the spark plug para sa Team Pilipinas. You let him into the ball game, he can change the situation right away.
Babawiin ba? Yes, nabawi. Itong si Joe Vogel with 25 points in the ball game.
And if you're a coach and you have a guy like that, a guy that's 6'8", 6'9", 220 pounds, and has already shot 6 3-pointers,
Grabe.
ang hirap naman depensa niya.
Renren, bang! You know, Renren Ritualo will not shy away from a shootout.
And right now, Asi Taolava has to respect that outside shot of Joe Vogel. Anim na yung tinira niya na 3-pointer. Kailangan nakatingin na siya sa kanya.
Ito na si Fahed, dire-diretso, under goal stop, wala. Williams for the rebound. Helterbrand. Sa ilalim kay Taolava against Vogel, two fakes. And traveling against Asi Taolava.
Very tough on Asi.
There you have si Joseph Vogel. Those are his numbers, 25 points, 12 rebounds, 6 of 8 from the three-point region. And he is 6'9" and 262 pounds. Tignan nyo naman yung stroke niya from the outside. You know, this Lebanese team, kakaiba. You have the big guys shooting from the outside and you have the small guys scoring inside.
Nakakasira ng ulo kung ikaw yung bumabantay dyan because, you know, he's huge and he can shoot from the outside. Tapos, siya rin ang leading shot blocker ng kanilang kapunan.
You know, we have to really put some more pressure on the defensive end. And that's what Renren Ritualo did.
Good job on the part of Renren Ritualo to disrupt the flow of the offense of Lebanon because it seemed whatever the Lebanese team wanted to do in this second half, nagagawa nila.
Ahead, outside. Nice fake by Kirk, missing. Taolava with the rebound. Kelly Williams to challenge the big man, loses the leather.
But look at the lineup right now of Team Pilipinas. Inurong na ni Coach Chot Reyes, si Gabe Norwood as the point guard. We've seen this in Taiwan a couple of times. Let's see if it's gonna be effective today.
At ito na naman, yung maliit na mama. Siya yung pumapasok sa loob. Sabi sa'yo, baliktad eh. Kung sino yung maliit, siya yung nagpe-penetrate. Kung sino yung malaki, sila yung tumitira sa labas. It's a fourth foul on Don Ontiveros.
You know, that's what happens, Richard, if you have a center that pulls out the big man of the opposing team on the outside. Yun ang ginagawa ni Vogel kay Asi. Kaya yung mga maliliit, ang dali ngayon subaksak dahil alam nila wala nang shot blocker sa ilalim eh.
And this guy, itong si Fahed, he only stands 6 feet. He has 6 rebounds already.
24 points.
Norwood to Asi Taolava. Back to Alapag, isolated up top. Alapag, dire-diretso, kick out pass to Norwood, 7 to shoot. Kelly Williams, tough shot against Vogel. But there's a pushing foul against Brian Beshara. That's a third foul on Brian Beshara.
Pero ang nagiging problema ng Team Pilipinas, Richard, ang layo na ng opensa natin. Tinutulak nila tayo to where our spots should be. And that's what Coach Chot Reyes was saying. Kailangan nandun tayo sa mga spot para yung offense maging effective.
You know, ito sa Taiwan, we killed them sa mga isolation plays. Bang! By Renren Ritualo. Another 3 for Renren. Pang-lima na yan. Na-tres ni Renren Ritualo. Vogel naman sasagot. And rebound to Kelly Williams. Here's Jimmy Alapag. Alapag, dire-diretso. Alapag to Asi Taolava. Renren Ritualo moves away from the defense. Oh, that would have brought the house down. Counter fast break para sa Leboy. That's double dribble.